going to show you the easiest and fastest way to find any crypto project that's made in the USA. I know that's getting a lot of attention right now, especially now that Trump is in office. There's a lot of speculation that he's going to make it that crypto projects that are made or based in the United States are going to be exempt from capital gains tax, which is huge. Obviously, people don't like to fork up 40% to Uncle Sam, so that's a very, very big thing. And I feel like there's tons of potential for inflow of volume because of that. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ and I've helped over 1,300 people learn how to trade crypto. And if you want to come join the EPIQ Trading Floor, just hit that link that's tagged in the video or go into the description, or you can even go to epictradingfloor.com. Now, the easiest way to find these projects is by going to coingecko.com. On the search bar, you can type in Made in USA. When you do that, you're going to see the category Made in USA. You click this. You're going to see it's up currently 17% in the last 24 hours. And on this list, you're going to be able to find all the major projects and assets that are listed or that are some way associated with the United States. Now, there's a lot of projects on here and a lot of these that are on my watch list. So if you want to know which ones I'm specifically looking at, that's where you'd go in the EPIQ Trading Floor and you can find that out. But all in all, if these projects were able to get exemption from the capital gains tax, you can imagine the potential millions of dollars, if not hundreds of millions or billions, that would be flowing in, especially from an institutional perspective. Now, if I was someone that put in $150 million and I 4x that, you're talking about $600 million, which if you had to pay taxes on that, you're going to be paying over $300 million in taxes. So by taking that out, as you can imagine, people are going to flood money into those markets. It's even a better deal than what you're getting in the stock market, because even in the stock market, you still get capital gains tax if you close within the year. I think some people are underestimating the potential of the amount of money that can really flow into the markets because of this. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. You go to CoinGecko, type in Made in USA. You can go down this list. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments. Come join me in the EPIQ Trading Floor if you want to stay up to date with everything that I'm doing. I hope everyone has a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world. And I will see you in the next one.